Okay, we made it. And I'm so excited to see what this Gainesville, Florida Hobby Lobby has. I hope you can hear me behind my mask. I'm not really sure which direction to go. Ooh, they have some pretty stuff. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm not sure. Well, hello. 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 I don't know which way to go, so I'm going to find out and I'll be back. Okay, we found it. Found it. I'm going to look at this really quick. 30% off of all yarn. Look at this. Look how thick that yarn is. 28 yards. 8 ounces. Yarn B. 28 yards. That will not go very far. Alright, let's see. Alright. And then look at this. Ooh, this is fuzzy. This is like it's not even turned into yarn. That's really weird. 120 yards. Rose rock. Acrylic and polyamide. Okay. Let's go down. So, oh, look at this. Look at that. That's Yarn Bee Chunky Knit Velvet. Oh, that's interesting. Look at this. 30% off. There's some pretty colors here. Okay. I'm not really into the Yarn Bee. I'm mostly into, oh, this is Glowing Coast is Clear. I'm mostly into the I Love This yarn. This is acrylic and polyester. And it's like, you see, it's like 2 strands together. They do have some really pretty colors. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I really love yarn. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Here we go with the I Love This yarn. Right here is where it starts. Ooh, this one's different. This one is called Drizzle Me This. The yarn itself has a little bit of a pink color to it. I don't think you can see that. And then it has orange, purple, and fuchsia looking dots on it. It's kind of cool. Not what I'm here for, but it's cool. Oh, it's hard to breathe in this mask. But per the Alachua County ordinance, we have to wear a mask in the store, which is fine. It looks like they have some fall colors because I didn't see this one. This one is pretty. Look at this. It's a print. It's called Marled Purple. That is pretty. Oh my gosh, that would make a gorgeous hat or scarf. Marled Purple. Wow. They do have some pretty colors. Oh, this one has to be marled blue. It has to be. Look at this. Marled denim. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Very pretty. I love this yarn. Very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna have to rethink some of my plan here for Christmas presents because I love that marled. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, this one is pale aqua gradient. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, they have a lot of new colors here than my regular store. Oh boy, I do love this. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. Let's see what the color is. Be Still. The color is called Be Still. Oh my gosh, I love that. Is that just gorgeous or what? Wow. Okay, well, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Brighton Road. Look, it has reds and blues and yellows and cream. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. Blush Sparkle, that's not mine. Okay. Alright. Alright, here's the light peach that I need for my baby blanket. I'm gonna get that. And I think this is the mango I saw online. Let me see. Yep, mango. I'm gonna get one of those. Oh my gosh, look at this. Scarlet Rose. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. The colors are so deep. That one's Crimson Swirl. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Let me see. Go back. Well, all right, guys. I'm gonna go in another aisle. Now, actually, I didn't show you any of the Yarn Bee aisle, or Yarn Bee yarn. They do have some interesting yarn, like this Scrubby Sparkle yarn. It's more like an eyelash yarn. I don't really care for it, but that's just me. And this Scrubology yarn, it's very stretchy. So when you crochet with it, your piece that you crocheted stretches out of whack. I'm not a fan of that either. I'm really not. Not a fan. But that's just my opinion. So I'm sure, I know that there are a lot of people. Okay, this right here is what I like, right here. This is the Scrubology yarn that I like. This is the cotton, and this is the Scrub It. You see the difference? See this? This is cotton with like little bumpies on it. And then this is just, I don't know, just a squishy tube thing. Not a fan of this, but I love this Scrubology. I'm gonna get this color. All right. Okay. So they have some Yarn Bee sugar wheels, which are really gorgeous. $6.99 with 30% off. 355 yards, 7 ounces. Oh yeah, look, they have some fall colors and Christmas colors. And the sugar and cream up there. Oh, I like this color. This is kind of like a bumblebee. I like that color. I like it a lot. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get a Christmassy one too. Okay. Just got a little bit in my cart so far. I hate when I can't decide what to get. Okay, look at this. Fireplace comfort. Yeah, that fuzzy yarn I'm not into. Not really. Ooh, I love this cotton. I do love this cotton. Oh, I might love this cotton better than I love that other cotton. $3.79. But you know what? It's more of a wearable cotton. It's not something I would necessarily want to make all of my dishcloths out of, but I do like it. And then these are tiny. Look at these little cupcakes. Sugar Real Cotton. Honey, it's homemade. That's pretty. This one's really pretty. Baby Bee. Oh, this is the thick Baby Bee. It is pretty. Eyelash yarn. Yeah. Hey guys, so Hobby Lobby was rough because by ordinance of the Alachua County, I had to wear a face mask, which is fine because I don't have a problem wearing a face mask, but the problem was it was so hot in there and I just started feeling like I was gonna melt, and unfortunately my anxiety got a little high with just the heat and I just had to get out of there. So my sweet hubby is standing in line for me right now, paying for the few pieces of yarn, the few skeins of yarn that I actually threw in the cart. But that's okay because I can always shop online, and Hobby Lobby regularly has their shipping, free shipping over a certain amount, so I will just wait for that. I'm not very good at going into stores lately, or for a long time. But this is only, well, this is only the second time I've been in Hobby Lobby since the COVID. So anyway, and that one was kind of a quick one too. But well, hubby's back with the yarn, so I'm gonna let him in. I've got the AC going, and I will talk to you later.